Ian Lamont, founder of In 30 Minutes Guides. Today, I'm going to be talking about a trick on Facebook that I think everybody should know. And here's the situation. People use Facebook a lot, including myself. But one thing that I like to do sometimes is go back to something that I've seen before, like maybe a few days before, and maybe I want to see the other comments people have posted, or maybe I have something to add, or maybe, I want to, there's something else I want to do on that particular post, like it or add an expression or whatever. Now, if you go to your Facebook profile, this is my Facebook profile, and I can see the stuff that I've posted, like pictures I've posted, things like that, or maybe things that I've shared. But I can't see the other stuff, like the stuff I've liked, or maybe a comment I've left on somebody else's post. And you may be thinking, where is it? The answer is it's in the activity log. And for some reason, Facebook hides it. Here's how to reveal it. Go to your profile. So this is my profile. Click on these three dots. This is the more options icon. Click on that. One of the options is activity log. And what activity log is going to do, it's going to show all of the stuff that you've been liking or commenting on for the past couple weeks. You can actually keep on scrolling down. It goes for a long way. And what I like to do sometimes is, like, I may want to go back to this particular post or this post and see the new comments that people have left. Or maybe I want to add something else myself. For more information on how to get the most out of technology, I've created a series of books. Some of them I've written myself, some of them are written by other people on various mildly complex topics, including technology, genealogy, social security, business, all kinds of stuff. It's available from in30minutes.com. If you've liked this video, if you could take a moment to like it on YouTube, I'd appreciate it. Or follow me on YouTube. That would be even better, so you'll see more videos in the future. My name is Ian Lamont. Thank you so much for watching.